Alright, welcome back everybody to another video in the inventory multiplayer component system series. We are getting there, just like a few videos, maybe 10 or something left. So let's keep at it. Before we start, thanks as always to all subscribers, and a special thanks to all my patrons. If you want to join the Patreon, there's a link in the description, and feel free to join. All right, we have some issues that we need fixing. So we never fully set this up, I believe. But if I drop this here, we can see this. But if I do unequip, see nothing really happens, and I can't drag this anymore and stuff. So let's fix that first. If we go into the inventory component, we have this unequipped slot function. Gets called from the drop slot when we actually drop the chest back into the inventory. This gets called, but as we can see, we never fully set this up. So let's do that. Server set chest and server set legs. Set equip chest, set equip legs. And we can just go back up here. And I think that should solve that issue. Okay, we need to make sure these slots default back. And yeah. Okay. Wait, I should just call the client one, no? Why am I not doing that here? Is that something old I had? Because the reason we're setting this is the same as doing this. So we do that before we call the server one. And this is the save function. So just want to see what happens if I delete this. Ah, yeah, we need to use the empty holder item, sorry. I didn't have to use like empty holder item, I could have just kept the slot empty, but just unequip. There we go. Perfect. Could probably do that for this as well. Client set head. Client set offhand. Client set main hand. We can just drag and connect like this. Offhand. Offhand. Head. Head. We don't need these. That makes this a little bit cleaner. I'm wondering though if that will update the rep notify properly. Empty, 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 empty. Just gonna see so it works. It appears there, it appears there, it appears there. Unequip still works. And I can drag it. Nice. Okay, so now we have some other things. If I drag this here, see nothing happens. So we want it to update even if we, like, now it works if I drop it in an empty space. But we want it to work when we drop it there as well. So for that to work, item slot. I think I changed the name of this at some point. I think yours is called inventory slot. I changed it to item slot just because I kept confusing it all the time myself. So this is now an item slot in case I didn't do that in a video. We do have a drop function here. See what is going on. On drop. So yeah, at this point we can actually only drop. Because these are also inheriting from the item slot, right? Or these are also item slots. So this is the only functionality we have here. So we need to execute the drop if like this. So we make no checks now. So what happens if I grab this? That actually works though, so that's nice. Is merchant slot? That is probably not even needed now. I think that's old. Is this used? No, it's not used. So delete it. So if it's equipment slot, it's false, and storage slot is false. That means it's an inventory slot, right? So that means this is false. And why did I disconnect this? Let me see here. Inventory drop slots. Yeah, exactly. So it's always gonna be yes, exactly. So this is if we are actually dropping. Exactly. So here. So if the payload, if we're dropping from an equipment slot, this is dropped from. This is dropped to. So not equipment or storage slot. Just a reminder for myself. So if that is false, From equipment slot. So here is where we execute that functionality, which is the same as here, right? So we can just copy this. We need that. I don't think we need that. Oh wait, we're doing this too early. We should do the cast before we do anything else. There we go. Yes. Now we still have the cast. Can delete this and item to drop. This should be the held item of this one. There we go. Nice. And let's copy this. The thing is, this is probably stuff we would, because now we're like copying functions instead of just having the same function do everything, which is not ideal, but that is what we're gonna do now. Now we should also be able to oh no, wait, that's not how I do it. That should also unequip it here. So that should go here, that should go here, that's a consumable, so that should go here. Let me just see so that is triggering properly. it is. So why is that not updating? Hmm. We need to update the HUD here as well, I believe. How am I doing that? Remove consumable from quick slot. So we can do that either here. I guess we'll just do it here. Or we do it here. No, let's do it there. That might be firing twice now. Oh. I mean, it is working. It's just not updating the UI. This one. So that was not it. So this was not what we were after. Where do I update that? Item slot on drop. Is equipment slot true? It's not equal to that should be fine. Consumable true. That means I try equip item. If we equip a consumable, yeah, here we go. Yeah, since the HUD is, yeah, of course, yeah. Because the HUD will be different, right? So this should probably be done on the update everything function as well. I believe. Where is the best way to do this? Can do it here, yeah. Since we just set this here, we could just update that here. There we go. Okay, what am I missing? Plug that one in as well. Don't think that was it though. Interesting. It's not gonna work here either then, I guess. No, it's only working from the first one because I forgot to set up the rest of them, I guess, at some point. Item, unequipped slot, update entire inventory component. Yeah, we're calling this twice now, I believe. We're calling it here, but we're also calling it in here. So it's probably enough if we just call it in here. So that is fine, but this is still not gonna work, right? No. Good. Interesting. Why is that not working? I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go here. Just so it is firing. Let me pause and see where it is. All right, there we go. I got it. Human error. So when we drop, we shouldn't use this quick slot number of the actual slot we're dropping onto. We should use this quick slot number holder. That is the one that I set here. So it's the number of the quick slot we are dropping it from, and not onto. And when we do equipped slot, then this, because this was returning 1 all the time. So like that. That means, let me just see, so we're not calling this somewhere else and don't actually need that. No, we still need that to update the HUD. So let's keep this. There we go. All right. That is 2 bugs fixed. There's a bunch more. Some people have commented. Good work with that. Just keep spamming me with stuff that is not working, and we will get that sorted. There was something with the chest as well, I think. I'm gonna look that up and fix that in the next video, but let's pause this for now since it's 26 minutes already. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.